Do'stlar, uyda tanib turganlar bo'lsa, bittadan like bosib qo'yamiz. Hello Jordan. How are you? Good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you, brother. Yeah, no problem. So Jordan, can I park here?
I think so.
But
You could also come in the driveway. It's like
Take here?
they haven't started the work today.
Yes.
I didn't want to do it myself because of the lifting and everything.
Yeah, no problem.
And so it's two things. We're gonna put in this window unit.
Okay.
Okay, right here.
What about the size? You need something
I
to
think it's okay.
trim? No?
No, I think it's okay.
No.
If needed, we can put insulation.
No
or
problem.
whatever.
Let's open first the box.
Let me get.
This is your way,
This
yeah?
is mine. Yeah.
Okay.
You can
Okay,
put
I'll
it
park
right there.
here.
You good?
Okay, thank you. Xullas ko'rdinglar do'stlar. Derazasining o'rniga kichkina konditsionerchani o'rnatish kerak. Hozir chiroyli o'rnatib beraman. Kuzatishda davom etinglar sizlar do'stlar. Prosta yo'ldan olib qo'yib, parking qilma debdi bugun. Qurilishi bor shekilli yo'lda, ichkariga olib qo'yaman.
And I believe the unit will fit. I looked at the measurement. So you can see.
Do'stlar, mana konditsionerni qo'yib oldim. Endi buni bitta uстановkaga qo'yib yuborsam, orqasiga breketlarni qo'yib, breketni ham magazindan olib kelib oldim. Mana breketni do'stlar. Mana shuni birinchi xotir bo'lsam, konditsionerni qo'yib turib, atrofini bekitib qo'yaman. Jordan, it's good.
Yeah.
He's working.
Do you feel?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Xullas do'stlar, ko'ringlar mana. Tayyor atrofida breketi bor edi. Mana plastikdan bo'lgan. Shuni qo'yib, konkretni xotirib bering atroflarini bekitib desam, ozgina kesilar ekan uning uchun. Yo'q, kesilmasin, xotinimga yoqmasa almashtiraman boshqa konditsionerga dedi. Ha, bo'pti dedim. Xullas o'rnatib, ishlatib berdim do'stlar. Kabelini keyin naryoqdan tortadi. Bu ishga like bosmanglar. Okay, you like it, Jordan?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
What about this one?
If
Okay.
I don't want it, I'll return it with everything.
Okay, no problem.
How
Okay.
much today?
How much you gonna pay, Jordan?
250.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you too.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too. Ana xullas, do'stlar, ishni ham tugatib oldim. Hozir orqa tomondan breketni ham ko'rsatib qo'yaman sizlarga. Mana breket turishi do'stlar. Mana breketni mana qilib qotirdim, ko'ryapsizlarmi? E'tiboringlar uchun rahmat do'stlar. Colorado, Denver, Aurora atrofidagi aka-ukalar, aloqaga chiqinglar. $400 xizmatlarni $250 ham qilib yuribman begonalarga. Vatandoshlar, joninglar sog' bo'lsin. Salomat bo'linglar.